Hey everyone, let's talk about the AI boom and where things are headed in 2026. AI's not just a buzzword anymore, it's everywhere. Over the past year, worker access to AI shot up by 50%, and companies are racing to scale their AI projects beyond pilot phases. In fact, the number of businesses with a serious chunk of their workflows powered by AI is set to double this year. Most are seeing big productivity gains, but only a third are using AI to dream up brand new products or totally reinvent how they work. The money's massive. The top 50 private AI companies? They've raised over $300 billion. OpenAI and Anthropic alone are valued at a jaw-dropping $380 billion each. OpenAI pulled in more than $25 billion in revenue, while Anthropic's Claude app even dethroned ChatGPT as the most downloaded AI app on the App Store. But it's not just about chatbots anymore. Agentic AI, think autonomous agents that handle meetings or customer transactions, is picking up speed. Physical AI, like robots and drones, is everywhere from warehouses to hospitals. Exciting startups like Physical Intelligence and Skilled AI are building the brains for the next generation of robots. There's a real talent crunch, though. Companies are investing heavily in upskilling their teams. AI is even flattening company structures. Routine jobs are getting automated, so new roles like AI operations managers are popping up. Open source models are on the rise, and nations are pushing for sovereign AI to keep things local and secure. Plus, we're seeing more female leaders at the helm of cutting-edge AI firms. Bottom line, AI is moving fast, shaking up every industry. If you want to be a part of the next wave, now's the time to jump in, learn, and experiment. The future's wide open.